Personnel. Add a new user to the personnel database. Hover over the Labour main menu and select Personnel. Select the New button. Fill in all the applicable fields. Click on Insert. Divisions. Work packs can be linked to a division should the labor cost price be required to be calculated at a different rate. Add a new division. Hover over the Labor main menu and select Division. Click on the New button. Insert the name, abbreviation and cell adjust, if applicable. Click on the Insert button. Edit an existing division. Hover over the Labor main menu and select Division. Click on the Edit button. Edit the relevant field. Click on the Update button. Timesheet. Capturing time sheets manually. Hover over the Labor main menu and select Timesheet. Select the personnel whose timesheet is going to be captured. Select the date on which the time was spent to carry out work. Choose a timesheet type. Select the task card on which the time was spent to carry out work. Enter the amount of time spent on the task card. In the case of normal time worked, enter the hours worked in the Rate 1 block. In the case of overtime worked, enter the hours worked in the Rate 2 block. In the case of double time worked, Sundays, enter the hours worked in the Rate 3 block. Click on the plus button on the right side of the screen. myTime. Booking labor via myTime. The myTime function is the preferred method to capture time to book labor hours. Log in using a PC, mobile phone or tablet. Navigate to the Labor myTime menu option. Choose the task card type in the drop-down menu. Select the task card on which time has been carried out or tick the camera tick box and scan the barcode on the task card. To start booking time on the selected task, click on the green clock button. To clock out or stop booking time on the selected task, clock in on the next task or click on the orange Out Clock button.